ready to turn ordinary cardboard into a runway-worthy statement. Let's dive into designing fashion-forward box packaging using Adobe Illustrator. First, create a new document in Illustrator, making sure to choose the correct dimensions for your desired box size. Considering the product you're packaging, I'm using a standard rectangular box size for this tutorial. Grab the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle on your artboard. This will be the base of your box's front panel. Now, duplicate this rectangle several times to create the sides, top, and bottom flaps of your box. Arrange them precisely to form the unfolded box template. Make the stroke visible so that it shows the cut lines. You can find it in the stroke panel, and increase the width as you like. Time for the fun part: design. Use Illustrator's tools to add colors, patterns, and graphics that reflect your brand's aesthetic. I'm using a bold color palette and a subtle floral pattern for a touch of elegance. Don't forget your branding. Place your logo and brand name prominently on the front panel. Consider using typography that complements your overall design. Try different fonts to see what works best with your logo and your target demographic. Next, think about the structure. Add fold lines using dashed lines and include glue tabs for secure assembly. These are crucial for a functional box. Use Illustrator's 3D effects or Mockup templates to visualize your final product. This will help you identify any design flaws or areas for improvement. And there you have it. A fashionable and functional box packaging design ready for print. Remember to save your file in the appropriate format for your printer. Now go forth and create packaging that wows.